My name is Hannah and I am a shorter chef. I am going to be helping y'all with cooking, as you can see. First, we are going to wash our hands. Yes, let's wash our hands. Washing our hands and get in the soap and wash them. Like, and I am pretty short, as you can tell. I'm one of the shortest girls in my family, but it don't bother me too. Two comes in different sizes. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to put my apron on. I'm going to put on my apron. Yes. Yeah, I know it's a little big, but life just works how you can. Best we can put it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, first what should we do? Probably open this part, probably this part. And then we're going to open up. Open it up, okay. See, now we're going to cut the fish. Now be very careful when you use the scissors. If you never use scissors before, be careful. You never should touch the ends. And always tell your parents before you cook in the kitchen. Did you know? Yeah, I don't know. Now what we're going to do, open this more, and I'm going to put this. We're going to put the fish on here because so the fish won't stick to the pan and it won't make it smell like fish. Okay, that's what. So here we go. Okay, we are going to put it in the toaster oven in here because it's safer. So what we're going to have to do, put it right 425 right there, and then put it on bake, and then put it on 20, and voila. Okay, while we're waiting for that to cook, we are going to get the rest of it ready. So we're going to get the tortilla right here. Okay, put on there. Then we're gonna get this cabbage. Just a little bit of cabbage. All it takes, a little cabbage. Then we're going to have to open this up here. We do guacamole. This might take a little while. Yeah, I'm human, guys. Just give me a second. There you go, I got it. Yeah. Oh, hallelujah. That's probably good. Yeah. So we probably want to get a spoon, a little spoon, just put a little bit on, like a tiny spoon like this, Yeah, put some on there. Then we're going to scoop to this. Wrap it on there. Okay, and then close this back up. Then what we're going to do, get some of this, dab it on there too, and I got one more. There you go. Now we can put this in here, and I could probably wash my hand again. A heating pad, and this is a thermometer. And do temperatures. Either way. Regular food. And I have to get to 145 degrees. You know what I'm saying? $145. Well, it's not there yet, so we have to put it back in. So let's do it right away. Grab it, and then we can wait and check on it again later when it's done. And then we're going to do this. No. Oh well. It was a perfect recipe, but there you go. There you have it. Perfect recipe for fish taco. Yeah, and we all need to do. Bye.